I'm Philippines, you know, Netherlands, di ba? You're from Netherlands? Yeah? Netherlands daw sila, sir. Sir, okay for the vlogging?
Di totoo yan.
No problem. You vlog? No. No problem. No problem. No problem. No. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. From Netherlands. Netherlands. Ask, sir. Where from? I'm Philippines.
Galing mo pala dyan Hindi ko alam
Province is Mindanao. Yan ang Mindanao. You teach Tagalog Tagalog, you know Tagalog? Tagalog. Philippine language.
I don't know.
You teach you Guapo.
You teach me.
Yo, guapo. Handsome. Guapo yo. Maganda. Maganda. Beautiful. Maganda, beautiful, di ba? What did you say in the Philippines, sir? You're a first time here, di ba?
Yeah.
What do you say?
What we do see now?
We
go to see islands.
Island. Where island? Boracay.
We go now 2 days Manila.
Manila.
And then Cebu.
Cebu. Bisaya language.
Yeah.
Like guapo. Maganda. Mini guapo, marami maganda in Cebu. Like you, guapo and maganda. You sweet. Hello guys, my video is for entertainment and content only. So, bye. Okay, thank you.